everyone, it's me, Sarah T. Today we're taking a closer look at our Brimco hats, now carried at JDS Industries. Starting with our performance, we're going to have 7 different colors with 2 options, with rope or without rope. Then onto our 100 series, the trucker. This is going to come in 5 different colors with the netted back here. All great options for personalization. Let's go bring this over to the hat press and get one pressed. So over here at my hat press, I'm on the Fusion IQ Hotronics. I'm going to have heat from the top and bottom. And here at our shop, we have found that the 330 and 320 works best for us. So I have my 100 series trucker hat here. I'm going to lift the band, the sweatband here, and I'm going to line it up right on this crease that I have. So I will place it on here. And I'm looking for a smooth, solid surface here. You don't want any bubbles or anything. I find it kind of nice to kind of massage it down to get any bubbles out, and the hat starts warming up a little bit. And then I'm going to pre-press this for 20 seconds. So I have no pad, I have it just directly onto the hat. I'm just pre-pressing it, kind of getting some of the moisture out, getting it nice and flat, and get that smooth hard surface for our patch. Today we're going to apply our creek side from our sheet stock. So I made a custom patch here and then a circle. And that's our creek side collection here. So I have this nice warm area here. So this CodaPro adhesive is not going to be sticky right away. So when I place my hat when I place my patch onto my hat, I'm going to place it on there. I'm going to hold it just for a couple seconds with my finger, and that's going to start activating some of that adhesive. So then it'll get that little bit of tackiness and it'll hold it a little better in place. So hold that there. And now I'm using my 1/8" silicone pad here. I'm going to lay it across the top here, and then I'm going to press for another 20 seconds. Now I'll remove that from here, and I'm going to want to let that sit and cool for a good at least 10-15 seconds before I go to pick at it or anything. So while that one's cooling, I'll go move right on to my next one. Check out the full line of Brimco hats today at jdsindustries.com. Thanks for watching.